So this is section 3. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now the
Yes,
beginning
sir.
is always same. I usually make it very clear कि बाद में किसी को भी problem नहीं हो. If somebody is coming today first time, it is optional and free. What you say, classes or overview. Attendance in overview does not guarantee selection. This will cover basic of web development. This will cover tools you will need to learn. Then may not be paid courses after these sessions. They will not be. मतलब हम लोग कोई एक paid के लिए free नहीं दे रहे. So I want to make it very clear. Any questions you can ask. My focus will be again Elementor page builder. And why Elementor page builder? Because this is the page builder which we are using. So WordPress में you can use WordPress without page builders. There is Gutenberg editor and all, but the control the page builder gives you, others doesn't give you. जितना अच्छे से Elementor में आपको control मिलता है, उतना आप Gutenberg में आप नहीं कर सकते. There are multiple other page builders. We also use Divi. हम लोग Divi भी use करते हैं. Somebody is with Divi, so Divi is also there. And there are many more. But my main focus in this class is all Elementor. If you have attended my last class, आपने देखा होगा कि Elementor इस तरह से इंटरफेस होती है. Then there are different widgets here. यहाँ पे I suppose so section बनाने का जगह है. You can create a section and I'll show you the last presentation. So I can cover that up very fast. In that section there is a section. Inside section there is a column, and inside that column there is a widget. So you have to be very clear. Whenever a widget is placed, it is placed inside a column, and column is the section, and there is no other way out. You cannot create a widget straight in the section. In a section there can be two columns side by side, but there cannot be two sections side by side. In that columns there can be widgets, and when you put the widgets are on top of one another, unless you do something special. Otherwise they will be on top of one another. They won't be in same line. The column is always in the same line, widgets are on top of one another, sections are also top of one another, and one section cannot be beside second section. Then I'll talk about the page settings. When we'll be creating page, I'll discuss it again. Then this is the Elementor toolbar, and there are lots and lots of widgets, starting with the basic widgets, basic heading. Then there are pro widgets, which I'll be showing you few today. I've shown you the basic one as I supposed to. These are pro widgets. When you have purchased a pro subscription, then you get these. Then these are general widgets. These also you get for free. You basically can use, आपके पास जो मिलता है फ्री में, ये जनरल वाले सारे मिलते हैं. और दूसरे, whenever you have a free version, you get the general one and you get the basic one. So you get these basic and these general. Other than that, what you get is WordPress widgets. But there are hundreds of plugins out there which have multiple widgets, and there can be many widgets. Every widget has usually 2 or 3 sections, or maybe more, but usually these 3 sections are there. Content, here we put the content. Second is style, here with the style is the content. Here it is advanced, where the backgrounds, at time background is here, or background is here. And if it is a pro version, then we can put CSS and all here. Then I had to talk about margin, padding. Margin is outside the border, padding is inside the border. Section can have margins. Then if this is a background and the internal one is section, then section can have a margin and section can have a padding. But it can only have a top and bottom margin. A section cannot have left and right margin. I make it very clear, a section cannot have a left or right margin. A section can only have a top and bottom margin. It can have padding on all sides. Inside the section there can be columns. In columns there will be a margin and the padding, and that will be the sum total of column and margin which will be added here. Again, this is padding is inside and margin is there. So from section to column, the distance is the padding of the section and column of the margin, or column of the column margin. If you come to widget, this may look a pretty complicated. This is widget, inside, outside. This is column, inside, outside. This section, this is inside section, and outside section there is background. But section cannot have outside margin. I suppose so I made that much clear. अभी तक आपको समझ में आ गया?
yes, बिल्कुल.
So previously, previous class I have covered this much. Now, how many of you want to try WordPress online? आप में से कौन-कौन try करना चाहता है?
Yes, sir.
Sachin, you want to try? Veronica, what about you?
Yes, sir.
And Menaka?
Yes, sir.
I am giving you 2 or 3 options. I'll give you. The easiest one I'll give you. Just have a look. It is called Taste WP. What is it called? Taste WP. I'll show the screen again. And I'll share the link here. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
You can search for Taste WP and I'll share the link now. That is a free WordPress hosting. You can see here. I'm copying this Taste WP
Yes, sir.
from here. Going to this. And sending you the message in the comment. So this is a link which you can open later. Otherwise, it is very simple. Taste WordPress, taste WP, not WordPress, WP.com. Now, what can we do here? Now, if I want to create a free setup, it gives me a free setup for 2 days. How many days it will give me?
2 days, sir.
After 2 days, this WordPress is deleted. 2 दिन के लिए है. If you register it, this gives you 7 days space. So अपने को तो अभी experiment करना है. So I agree with the term and condition and say set it up. The WordPress site is created. You can see it is pretty fast. I copy this material, paste it somewhere, and I can access it from here. Can you see a complete blank WordPress created within a minute?
Yes, sir.
So now it doesn't give you the option of the name, nothing else. But if you want to expand, जैसे आपको practice करनी है, सीखनी है, आपको अपनी site खराब नहीं करनी. Usually when you have your own site, you cannot practice much. So in this, whatever you do, it won't matter much. ये basically अपनी site आ गई. Now there are few plugins installed. Let it be there. 3-4 plugins they have given their own, and the theme they have given is, see, for plugins you have to go plugins, themes you have to go to appearance and themes, and they gave you one free theme. Now there are hundreds of themes from the WordPress which you can use, and which is the theme we are using up till now?
Extra.
Extra.
Extra theme इसलिए यूज कर रहे थे क्योंकि Extra थीम में बहुत कुछ built in था. Now today I was talking about dynamic content. I was talking about creating a website from scratch. I can do that in Extra also. लेकिन मैं Elementor यूज कर रहा हूँ. Elementor has its own theme, which is called Hello. Now that is a very, very, very light theme. It has nothing in it. It doesn't have a header. It doesn't have a footer. It doesn't have anything. But when I will be using Elementor Pro is a theme builder. It has a header and a footer. तो उसमें क्या है? Whenever we are using a light theme, it is very good. So I can use Extra, but I've shown you Extra for 2 days. So the theme which I'll be using is Hello right now. So usually the theme I use, because we have a paid subscription of Elementor, the theme which we use is Hello. And I'll search for Elementor. And the first theme which will be coming is Hello, because Hello is Elementor's theme. So install this Hello. It is a very, very, very slight theme. It has nothing in it. No headers, no footers, no designs, no ready-made website, nothing. So this is the theme which I have used. Now I can change the theme anytime I want. If I want Astra here also, I can add new, search for Astra, enter it, and install it. So let me go to my themes. Now I have got three themes. Active theme is element hello, Astra, and 2020. First I'll activate 2020 and show you how this theme looks. Visit site. Can you see the site?
Yes, sir.
This is basically 2020's design. Plain simple WordPress theme with 2020 on it. If I activate Astra and refresh it, the style changes. This is basically Astra's design. And if I activate hello and refresh it, this is basically hello's design. Now let's customize hello. Now when I customize hello, you don't see many things. I've got a site identity where I can put a logo, name of the website. I can put menus. I can put home page settings, and I can use custom additional CSS. Is nothing much here. Hello theme doesn't have any other things, so it is very lightweight. But once I'll go for Astra, I go to the themes again, and I say activate. And if I want to try to customize Astra, there are many things. I can change global colors, I can change global typography, I can change the headings, I can change the base, I can change the container size, I can change the button size, that is in global. Then I can create a full header from here, putting the logo and all. I can choose whether to put the breadcrumbs like this here or not. I can customize the blog, what the blog type is, what the archive page name is and all. I can choose the menus, and I can create a menu from here, designing and all. So you can see the Astra has many things there. So it is a very good advantage if you do not have a paid version of Elementor or something like that. You have totally things created for you where you can change multiple things. But if you have Astra or something like that, you want a light theme because everything is done by Elementor Pro. So if you have paid subscription to Elementor Pro is very good, and you can do much more than the Astra can do. But you have to know how to do it. But if you do not have anything, go for the free version of Astra, and that is good enough. So I suppose so. Am I being clear? The difference between Astra themes and Hello theme?
Yes, sir.
And there are thousands of themes. Different people swear by different themes. If you say Ocean WP is good, you say Navy is good, who says Xeriflight is good, and I've tried multiple themes and many themes. But we are going, usually right now we are working more on Hello. So I'll just activate Hello for now. The moment I activate Hello, I do not have many options to customize. I do not have many things. I can customize just the logo, site of. But inside the Elementor, I'll get very much means it will be very powerful. When I get inside Elementor, I'll show you what I get. Now I'll go for the plugins, and I go for the install plugins. I have 3 plugins here, and when I say hello, thanks for installing Hello Themes, install the plugin, and I'll say install Elementor. Or I can go add new plugin, go to WordPress here, search for Elementor, and install this. So Elementor is installed and activated. So installed and activated. बट दिस इज अ फ्री वर्जन एलिमेंट. अभी तक जो यूज कर रहे थे लास्ट डे तक, इसके अंदर इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट हेडर फूटर एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर नॉट दैट. यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई दे रहा थीम बिल्डर, बट द मोमेंट आई यूज ट्राई टू यूज इट, this will say me Go Pro. What it is saying? Go Pro. So without a Pro version, this will not work. So I'll go to the plugins again, install plugins, and I'll add a new plugin which is Elementor Pro, and I'll say upload plugin. Choose a plugin file. I'll go to my drive where I have stored my Elementor plugin. One second. Hmm. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I suppose so. Plugins are in some other directory. I'm just getting the plugins for 1 minute. I'll copy the plugins from somewhere else and I'll bring it here. So wait for 1 minute. I'm bringing the plugins, installing it, and then I'll show. Hello, am I visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got the plugins. One second, I'll transfer the plugin and just and choosing the to upload the file. I'll go for the Elementor Pro and install it. Elementor Pro you cannot get from the WordPress repository because that is a Pro plugin and you have to purchase it and upload it. It is very easy to purchase and upload. So we have got Elementor Pro here. Can you see it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I'll add a new page. This is basically the Gutenberg editor, which is there, and we can type the title. That is the name of the page which I am creating, and I can say created an element. That is the heading or page name here, and I can choose the page setting, and I say I don't want to see the heading. This will be moved. The page layout is default, which is good enough for this, but I like Elementor full width, so I'll do that and I'll publish this page. Now let's talk about best practices and all, and then I'll come back here. Have you seen many websites where the design is erratic, means everything is there but अच्छा नहीं लगता? सचिन जी कौन बनाते हैं वेबसाइट? सचिन अगर टू क्रिएट वेबसाइट्स,
Yes, sir.
डिजाइनिंग का कोई आइडिया है? सी
Sir, no, sir.
इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग 7 पेजेस, तो 7 तो पेज बहुत अच्छे हैं, लेकिन आप अलग अलग जगह से अलग अलग पेज लाएंगे तो अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे. आई जस्ट
Yes,
गिव यू
sir.
एग्जांपल. If there is a book which is written, it has the same style. If there is a website created, उसकी डिजाइन पैटर्न एक जैसी होनी चाहिए. It is not that one page is something else, second page is something else, third page is other. It should look at the part of the same website. And for that, I am showing you a few websites which are already created and how do they look. मैं आपको वापस प्रेजेंटेशन में ले जाके जा रहा हूँ. And I'm coming here. In this, I'm installing another plugin. And it is a free plugin which I'm showing you. And it's called Envato Elements. Envato. Envato Elements, and I'm installing it. Can you see this Envato Elements? Can you see this installed? Can you see it here?
Yes, sir.
जैसे ही मैं Envato Elements को इंस्टॉल कर लिया, and I go to my what you say dashboard, you can see a template kits. Can you see free
Yes,
kits,
sir.
fake kits? मैं चलो free kits में जाता हूँ. There are many 152 template kits out there, and let me see grow your business strategy. इसको क्लिक करता हूँ. How many pages are there? Can you see? 6-7 pages are there. 1 2 3 4 home 1 home 2 home 3 home services engine, about us, product, benefit, features, contact us, pricing. So many pages you are seeing. आप लोग को दिखाई दे रहा है? Can you, are you able
Yes,
to?
sir.
Okay. So what can you say about these pages? What can you say about these pages? Pages के बारे में आप क्या बोल सकते हैं?
All of them are similar, same themes are used, same color schemes.
Same color scheme, very good. Same themes, same fonts, same type of design. Now this is a good site. Maybe you like it, and I'll preview this. This is another site. Can you see it? दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I take one page from here, say home page here, about us? I like from say here, services from here, और मान लीजिए कि मैंने तीसरा खोला, contact us from here. So will my website look very good?
No, sir.
So if I take the contact us from here, about us from here, and homepage from here, and services is from here, and I add them up and create a website. See, all the pages are good, but then my website will not be good, because it will look, means the visitor who has come for them, it is not a very good experience. उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि कहाँ पे है. So getting best things from everywhere, it doesn't create something very good. So if you are having South Indian dosa, with that you will be having pizza, and suddenly you have something, say, totally different, a different type of salad. So it is very hodgepodge type of thing. So if you want to create a good website, like now, so we have to have a style, a theme, type of fonts we should use, type of colors we should use. So do you have idea in this? आप लोग को इसके बारे में कुछ आइडिया है? Whoever is designing this type of website, आपको कुछ आइडिया है किससे तो fonts कैसे होने चाहिए, themes कैसे होने चाहिए? Sachin, Raju, Menko, anybody, any idea?
The idea means like क्या HTML CSS ideas.
आप लोग को आइडिया है? वेरोनिका, सचिन.
No, sir.
तो जब भी आप whenever you are creating a website, उसके अंदर fonts limited होने चाहिए, उसके अंदर colors limited होने चाहिए. Unless you are creating a very jazzy website for some very jazzy purpose. किसी के लिए भी आप वेबसाइट बनाएंगे तो fonts 2, 3, 4 तो बहुत ज़्यादा होगी. And if there is one font that is good, उसके बाद colors 5-7 colors, उसके shades और ऊपर नीचे हो सकते हैं. And for that, if you go for the classes, it will take full 2 hours for that classes only. But मैं इतने डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगा. I am basically working on Elementor. So what I'll be choosing? I'll be choosing few fonts. I'll be choosing few colors. We'll be create a design system for Elementor, and we'll be applying it on the pages. What we'll do? We'll create a design system. Fonts कौन से अच्छे, कुछ आइडिया है? मेनका, वेरोनिका, any idea about fonts and all? Sachin,
सर
Raju.
गूगल फोन्स पे जाके देख सकते हैं सर वहाँ
Very
पे
good. Google Fonts. And why you should use Google Fonts?
सर एक फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर
So
रहा
वो
था
सब अवेलेबल रहेंगे हर एक पेज पे.
Ah, that is available usually on each page, and those are free of cost. So we can go for Google Fonts, and we can choose the best combination of Google Fonts. So you can go to Google Fonts and select fonts out there. For me, I like Roboto much, so I'll go for Google Fonts. Fonts combinations.
So you are not presenting your screen.
Oh, sorry. When I'm not presenting, just tell me, because I tend to forget. Now you can see the screen. The Google
Yes,
Fonts
sir.
combination.
Yes, sir.
So this basically tells you what are the good fonts. So I want you to select 2 good fonts, and we'll be working on that. See, this is Crimson and WorkSense. Can you see? Heading is
Yes.
Crimson, WorkSense. Oswald and Cardo. Quicksand, medium and light. Font is same, Quicksand. Archeo Black and Judson. April Fatface and Roboto. अभी तक आपको सबसे अच्छा कौन सा लगा? Anybody? How is this
So
font?
second one. Second
सर ये
one.
रोबोट अच्छा लगा
सेकंड वन कौन सा था? ये वाला ऑस्वल्ड कार्डो. वोट कीजिए. ऑस्वल्ड कार्डो. हाउ मेनी पीपल वांट टू गो विद ऑस्वल्ड कार्डो? एनीबॉडी? मैं 2 ऑप्शन
सर ये
दूंगा.
भी अच्छा है सर
ऑस्वल्ड कार्डो एक है और दूसरा ऑप्शन, ज्यादा ऑप्शन नहीं है अपने पास. आई विल गो फॉर जस्ट
रोबोट
April Fatface Roboto. So how many of April Fatface and Roboto? Just message me. यहाँ पे टाइप कर दीजिए. Oh, sorry. It is either April Fatface and Roboto. So this is yes for April Fatface and Roboto.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll go for this. Okay, so I'll be using these fonts. अब उसके बाद कलर्स के लिए कोई आइडिया? कलर्स कहाँ से सेलेक्ट करते हैं? कुछ आइडिया?
सर कलर पिक कर
कलर्स कहाँ से सेलेक्ट करते हैं? यूजुअली व्हेनेवर यू क्रिएट, आई वांट यू टू यूज अ फुल स्टाइल शीट ऑफ कलर्स. मैं यहाँ पे आपको दिखाता हूँ कुछ. देयर इज अ साइट कॉल्ड coolors.com. COOLORS. And here we can explore few palettes, color palettes, what they say. I don't want a big color palette. I want with something with within 5 or 6 colors. Which one you like? कोई एक मैसेज मुझे कीजिए, तो जो भी मेरे को सेलेक्ट करेगा मैं उसके हिसाब से आई डू इट. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Which one? Which one? This one or this one?
Sir, fourth one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Whoever selected first will go. I don't want to waste my time here. So this is the color palette, and I'll be using this. So यहाँ पे how many colors are there? 5 colors. Can you see it?
यस सर
अब इस कलर पैलेट को अपने पूरे डिजाइन सिस्टम बनाएंगे. जस्ट बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा. आई विल बी शोइंग यू द फुल डिजाइन सिस्टम. इसका जो पहला पोर्शन है, फर्स्ट कलर इज दिस, सेकंड कलर इज दिस, थर्ड कलर इज दिस, फोर्थ कलर इज दिस, फिफ्थ कलर इज दिस. So I'll be using this in the design system. I'm copying this, taking to my website. I suppose in pages I'll go for the all pages, and I've created a page called style creation, and I say edit it with Elementor. I create a section. I create a section with 2 columns. Can you see these 2 columns?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll come here. I'll take text editor here. And I'll paste that here. Can you see the full letters here? Means full, what would you say? Text here. And how
Yes,
many
sir.
colors are there? 5. I'll duplicate them. So for 5 times. Now what I'll do, I'll take one color at a time. Oh, I have not done this smartly. I should have done something else. Leave it. What I need to do was tell you beforehand कि क्या होता है. So leave it. Proceed. Starting से आपको समझाता हूँ मैं. So whenever we have this Elementor, and when I am talking about theme, there are some global colors, and there are some, what do you say, global fonts. See, I am taking the text widget here again. If I click on this style sheet, you can see this text color. So you can see there are 4 colors. You can see there, how many colors are there global? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see them?
Yes, sir.
तो मैं यहाँ पे पहला कलर को ग्लोबल कलर, फर्स्ट कलर इज व्हाट? प्राइमरी. सेकंड इज सेकेंडरी. थर्ड इज टेक्स्ट. फोर्थ इज एक्सेंट. सो व्हाट इज एक्सेंट? एक्सेंट का मतलब क्या हुआ? कैन somebody tell me what is accent?
Name of color, sir.
नो, कलर का नेम नहीं होता है. एक्सेंट मतलब कोई भी कहीं लिंक होती है, हाईलाइट होता है ना, इट शुड लुक टोटली डिफरेंट. जैसे ये बटन है, दैट इज एक्सेंट कलर. देख रहे हैं, अलग ही दिखाई दे रहा है. इट अट्रैक्ट्स द अटेंशन. कुछ बटन होता है, कुछ स्पेशल पोर्शन होता है, तो यूजुअली द एक्सेंट कलर इज यूज्ड. सो इन दिस कलर, विच इज कलर लुक्स लाइक एक्सेंट कलर? I suppose so this color is pretty good for accent, क्योंकि अलग ही दिखाई देगा. This color is a pretty good accent color, I suppose so.
Yes, sir. Go with.
Yeah, I'll go with that. So I select this color, copy it, click on accent color. Oh, sorry. I select it, go to the global colors. Now I am talking about global colors. These colors will be set and can be used anywhere. बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा. मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक किया, वो एक्सेंट कलर को मैं यहाँ पेश कर रहा हूँ. That color has come here, and I change the name from accent to this. Can you see this color?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now text color में grey color, I like grey color, so I leave the grey color out there, क्योंकि text में थोड़ा grey अच्छा लगता है. So I'm leaving this gray here. So I take what I take this text and I put it there, because the design system मेरे को समझाने का टाइम नहीं. Otherwise I told you why gray is good, but leave it. Yeah. Now I take a primary color and a secondary color from them. I take this as a primary color. I want a dark primary color, so 23047 is the primary color which I'm taking. And I'll take a secondary color from here. I take this as a secondary color. So here you can see I am giving the code of the color and I'm putting the same color here. तो आपको समझ में आएगा इस कोड से क्या कलर है, right? So I have taken 3 colors from there and 1 color I have taken gray. So which are the colors left? I suppose so this and this are left. So I can click here, copy this color, go to Elementor, add the color. I'm adding this color. What color I've added? Yeah. And I want this color, so I click here, go to Elementor, add one more color. Other than that, I want two more colors. One is called black, and next is white. Anybody know what is the, what you say, value of black color? किसी को black color का पता है क्या value होगा? What is black?
000 sir.
Yeah, it is 000, 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Black. और white का क्या value होगा? Now today I don't have time to teach you hexadecimal, otherwise I've shown you. Sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6. F. Why it is not working? So we have created global colors, and I'm updating it. I close the site setting and so refreshing it. Now I take this color palette, I copy this, I bring it in the style setting, select this, ये यहाँ पे आ गया. अब मैं जाता हूँ एडवांस में, and put padding around here, say 20. So there is a gap here. I'll go for the background and choose the background. First will be first color, and this first color name number is 023047. So everything except 023047 will be deleted and duplicated it. I'm aligning the content in the center. So this color is 023047. Clear? यही color ना 023047. So
Yes sir.
this is the one color which we'll be using. The second one, I'll be using is, go to the background, choose the color 219 BEC, duplicate it, the third color we shall be using, 77A. So it is not given anywhere there because it is gray. So I just have to type from there 7A 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 7. Fourth one I'm going for FB color. and this color should be background color should be this FB. And why I am creating this, I'll tell you later. Because when we'll be creating this, we'll be sending the style sheet to our clients. अपने क्लाइंट को बताएंगे दिस आर द कलर्स विच विल बी यूजिंग इट. आप जब भी बनाएंगे तो आपको चूज करना पड़ेगा व्हाट द कलर्स यू विल बी यूजिंग इट. So this is the best way to create a full color palette, and you know what are the colors which will be using it. You will not be using any color other than these. इसको छोड़ के आप कभी भी कोई भी कलर नहीं यूज करेंगे. So your site will look very good. आपने कहा थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है कभी कभी. That is the reason the site looks odd. This I'm choosing, going to advanced, background color, choose the color. This color is FB. 8 and the last two are, I suppose so, black and white. Now what I'll do for the text, I'll set the style. So if it is say white, I'll make it black. For the dark ones, I'll make it white color. The dark ones, I'll make it white color. Light ones, I'll make it black color. So black. So we have a full combination of colors, but the problem with the white is that we are not able to see the white color. So what I'll do, I'll click here, go to background, go to border, make the border solid 2 pixel and choose the color black. अब आपको मेरा कलर का पूरा सेट दिखाई दे रहा है. दिस इज माय स्टाइल कलर्स. Now I'll go for the fonts. इसके बाद fonts choose करना है. So I suppose we have agreed to 2 fonts. So I'll take this heading and make it heading 1. So we had a font combo, I suppose to April fat face and Roboto. So I suppose April fat face will look good as heading. So I'll go with the heading and choose the font. I'll go for the typography and change the global fonts. The primary fonts I'll change from Roboto to April fat face. दिस लुक फाइन, लेकिन थोड़ी सी स्पेसिंग ज़्यादा होने से अच्छा लगेगा. सो मेक द स्पेसिंग 1.2, 1.2, this point here. Line height also 1.2 will be better. Weight 600. How does it look? Now, heading font ये कर दिया. Text font में अपने secondary font में we will make the same one because I don't want to use many fonts. Text font I want to use the third font which we second font we have chosen Roboto. That is our text font. That Roboto text font text. Accent font also I choose Roboto, but decoration I want to choose is line through, not over line. Style I choose is oblique. Okay. So I've chosen 4 font styles. Later on we can add more global fonts here, but right now I've chosen 4. Right? We will create different styles later on when we create the website. I come back again to the main page. Now this is heading, content. This is H2. Heading 1 is H1. So H1 is this side. Then I have heading 2. This is H2. Then I have heading 3. H3. Then I have heading 4. H4. Then I have heading 5. H5. Then I have heading 6. And then I have paragraph. Each one, heading 1 is good enough. Heading 2 we will go for again the typography with same fonts secondary. Heading 3 we'll go for accent. 4, 5, 6 is good. And for the text one I'll go for text one. Now how does this look? Heading 1 is this style. Whenever we give the heading 1, that the style will be this. Heading 2, the style will be this. Heading 3, it will be this. Heading 4, 5, 6 are rarely used, but still we are keeping the, and the text font is here. So whenever a normal text is typed, it will be something like that. Whenever a normal full heading is given, it is this. Secondly, if we give the second means heading 2, this will be this. Third heading, this will be this. These are the color combination which we'll be using. Clear? After that we need to create the button. So button I am creating. I'll show you by creating a button here, and I'll show you how to design a button from there. Can you see the button? Button आपको दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll tell you from where the button gets the style. If you see the style, typography, it is getting accent because button is always a accent typography. And the background color button will be getting is again from accent. Why? Because button जो भी होगा वो अलग से highlight आएगा. You can see this color is automatically there. Now on hover what happens? Usually it is same. But I want to change it. And if I change, यहाँ पे मैं अगर कुछ change करता हूँ तो सिर्फ इसी बटन पे change होगा. If I pull a new button, I'll just show you. So if I change the hover color here to be, say, orange, to dark orange, and background color to be, say, blue. Has it changed? Change हुआ है? आप देख पा रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
एक बटन और लाता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If I bring one more button and put it below it, this button has not changed. खाली ये वाला बटन चेंज हुआ है. So अगर आप एक साइड बना रहे हैं तो उसमें जो बटन होता है, उसमें जो स्टाइल होती है, इट शुड बी सिमिलर और सेम. अलग अलग बटन अलग अलग अच्छा नहीं लगता. So what where I'll be changing with the button I'm showing you. बटन की जो सेटिंग होती है ये भी हम लोग ग्लोबल में चेंज करेंगे. और वो button will change here, that button will change for the forms which we'll be using, that will change from everywhere. So we'll click here and we'll go for the site settings. Site setting में global color हम लोगों ने सेट कर दिया है. Site setting में global fonts में we will choose 4 fonts. If you want we can increase more. जैसे जैसे होता जाएगा अपने create करते जाएंगे. Typography I'll show you after this. For that I have to change the setting, and buttons I'll show you after means now. तो इसके लिए जब होता है तो you have to change the theme style, और इसको अपने को सेटिंग पेज में जाके चेंज करना पड़ेगा कि the button, these buttons can be taken from here. So for that I have to come here, I have to go to the dashboard, I have to go to Elementor. आप देख पा रहे हैं अभी तक? And I have to go to the setting. Sorry, this is not Elementor setting, this is Avento element setting, I suppose. Elementor settings. और यहाँ पे disable default colors and disable default fonts करके. So I'm clicking them and saving the changes. And now if I refresh here, it will allow me to use a global button. तो वापस यहाँ पे आता हूँ. I go to the site setting, I go for the buttons, and you can see here. So button में typography which we want to use, we basically want to use the accent typography. Button में text color which we want to use in button light colors, I suppose. So accent color तो नहीं use करना चाहेंगे अपने. Yeah, accent color we choose. I suppose accent background will be good, but the colors, light color white should be good. Background color should be again the accent color. Now, on hover whatever, मैं चाहता हूँ hover में change हो जाए. So on hover, I want the text color to be this, and the background color to be white. But when the background is white, you cannot see the button. So अपने क्या बोलेंगे? I want a border type to be solid, width to be 2, and this should be the style. And then I want border radius. I want top to be 20 and bottom to be 20, and I update it. मैं कुछ changes किए हूँ, आपको दिखाता हूँ कि how it will affect. Now if I click this, I pull the button, oh मैंने hover में change किया, sorry, I have not changed on the, what do you say, normal button. I have to change in the normal also. I don't have to put a border here. But let me put the border also because size छोटा बड़ा हो जाएगा नहीं तो. Border type is solid, the size is 2, the color is again accent so it is not visible. Padding is 20 and 20. Sorry, padding is 0 and 0. The border radius is 20 and 20. this button we have created, we have put black and something inside it. Now whenever I pull a button, उसके अपने अपडेट डिजाइन आ जाएंगे. I do not have to change the button because why I've changed in the side setting. तो जितने बटन होंगे वो एक ही तरह के आएंगे, right? Now in the side setting, one more thing I am changing is form fields. Form fields से ऊपर में जो लेबल होता है, what color should it be? I should suppose to dark color अच्छा लगेगा. Field typography से लेबल का typography should be सेकेंड भी चलेगा या एक्सेंट भी चलेगा. फील्ड टाइपोग्राफी शुड बी टेक्स्ट, अंदर में लिखा हुआ टेक्स्ट होगा. द टेक्स्ट कलर शुड बी अगेन से ग्रे. बैकग्राउंड कलर light color, we do not have a light color. I want something light color, so I choose say this, and what I want to do, I'll use this and I create a lighter color. आप देख पा रहे हैं, मैं lighter color बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. This is much lighter than this. Can you see? And I have this number. I copy this. I click on this plus sign. I'm creating a new global color. So from here you can create more colors जो उसके shades हों. So अभी मेरे को क्या चाहिए, बैकग्राउंड में हल्का चाहिए, उसके ऊपर डार्क होगा तो इट्स लुक गुड. Border radius, border type I want again solid. The color to be, this color will do again, and I want the border radius to be top 20, bottom 20. Update. I close it. Form. अब देख पा रहे हैं फॉर्म आ गया. जो मैंने वहां पे डिजाइन किया था वो डिजाइन अपने आप यहाँ पे आ गया. एंड दिस क्लिक बटन का जो डिजाइन है, बटन का डिजाइन ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे आ रहा है. लेकिन बटन का बैकग्राउंड, I have to change the button का बैकग्राउंड from here because the text, the background is becoming white. Text color I have to make on hover. This I have to make actually वहाँ पे बनाना है मेरे को, लेकिन मैं यहाँ बना देता हूँ to save the time. Button, text color to be plus background color. Submit. So can I make it clear? अभी तक आपको समझ में आया मैं ये क्या बनाया हूँ? दिस इज बेसिकली स्टाइल शीट. आप अपने के बाद बटन कहीं भी चूज करेंगे, कहीं भी सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो इट विल कम हियर. दिस डिजाइन विल बी यूजिंग एनीवेयर. जहां भी हम लोग यूज करेंगे वो सेम ही आएगी. सेकेंडली वी कैन choose from these global colors anyway. अब इस कलर कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ अपने एक वेबसाइट बनाते हैं. I won't create something from the scratch because it will take too much time. So basically I have a new page. Home. Editor Elementor. Can you see the color palette? आप लोग को दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll choose a page which is of the similar or type of color palettes और उसको अपने चेंज करेंगे अपने हिसाब से. तो चूज अ कलर पैलेट से रिलेटेड पेज जिसमें इसी तरह के कलर्स यूज हुए हों. So we can use that and we'll change the other colors to match this. So let's use this. इंटरनेट कंपनी है पर इसमें कलर ये यूज हो रहा है. I'm installing this kit. I view this kit and I say I want this page inside this page. इस पेज में गए अपने सेटिंग में, चूज हाइड टाइटल को भी हाइड जो टाइटल हाइड हो गया, द पेज लेआउट की फुल विड्थ, एंड पब्लिश. अब मैंने यहाँ से लिया है पेज. इसमें अगर मुझे बटन अपने हिसाब का डालना है तो आई कैन सिंपली, सबसे पहले इसका बैकग्राउंड चेंज करना है मुझे तो आई सेलेक्ट द सेक्शन. इफ आई हैव प्रॉब्लम इन सेलेक्टिंग द सेक्शन आई कैन गो वेयर, या सेक्शन को सेलेक्ट किया, स्टाइल में गया, बैकग्राउंड टाइप, आई कैन चेंज द कलर इसमें से जो मुझे अच्छा लगे. So I want from here, so this will do. फॉन्ट में गया मैं, यहाँ पे स्टाइल में गया, टाइपोग्राफी प्राइमरी, मेरा वाला फॉन्ट आ गया. एंड नाउ इफ यू वांट टू चेंज फ्रॉम हियर आई कैन गो टू दिस सेटिंग, चूज योर ट्रांसफॉर्म में अपर केस, कैपिटलाइज. इसको मैं या तो यहाँ पे यूज कर सकता हूँ या यहाँ पे आई कैन चूज द न्यू टाइपोग्राफी capitalized, so I can use it in another places also. टेक्स्ट कलर के अंदर मेरे को ये यूज करना है, ये यूज कर सकता. अगर मेरे को यहाँ पे कोई यूज करना, मान लो दिस इज द थीम कलर आई वांट टू यूज, आई कैन यूज इट. दिस फॉन्ट में जाएंगे, दिस वाज अ डिफरेंट फॉन्ट, select this typography, I can choose the text type. बटन में गए, now my button and my button color is always this, so I get that button here. इस contact us को यहाँ से लिया, copy this from here, click on this my button, put this contact us here. This one I want to get in inline, so advanced positioning, position, inline, and delete this. So मेरा जो बटन का स्टाइल है हर जगह एक जैसा चाहिए. Similarly if I go there, this is the H1, so I click here, style, typography, primary, primary, I can choose that capitalized. This is H2, so I can go to time secondary, if I want to make small, यहाँ से टाइपोग्राफी में चूज करें, सॉरी सेटिंग में make it say 42. This looks good. Capitalized 42. Create. And I want this to be again capitalized 42. ये एक ही स्टाइल मेरे को अच्छा चाहिए. Typography capitalized. This color. यहाँ पे white है तो white में this color is okay. The color should be this. Text में गए style. Again I have to choose a typography. Text. In this meet the team, I want my same button. I type the button, bring it. This testimony is style. So can you see that? मैं धीरे धीरे उसकी जो भी स्टाइल है, मान लीजिए आई हैव गॉट 4 पेजेस एंड आई वांट टू चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू वो बोलता है मेरे को ये फॉन्ट चाहिए, मेरी थीम की ये, तो वी कैन चेंज द फुल स्टाइल दैट. जैसे ये भी ठीक नहीं है तो दिस ऑल्सो आई वांट टू डिलीट इट. आई वांट दिस वॉच द डेमो फ्रॉम हियर. Text taken, control A, control C. I want to put it inside the contact space. I can bring it here, delete it. और मान लीजिए मुझे इसको बड़ा चाहिए तो I can change here and change the style from the typography size from here. When I want to give the spacing and padding, I can give it here. Say I want to give right padding 20. If I want the same font here, I can copy and paste it. So if you have a ready-made website and you want to change, basically जब भी आप करेंगे एलिमेंटर में, मेरे साथ कभी भी काम करेंगे तो मेरे में जो fonts हैं, the same fonts will be used, same style will be used. तो आप कहीं दूसरी जगह से, जैसे this is a very 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 good nicely made website which has been means imported, लेकिन इसका भी अपने को उसी कलर कॉम्बिनेशन के अंदर चेंज करना पड़ेगा. सो इट लुक्स पार्ट ऑफ द थीम. ये नहीं कि यहाँ पे एक तो बटन लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पे एक तो बटन लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पे एक तो बटन अलग लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पे एक तो अलग बटन लगा हुआ है. सो वी हैव टू स्लोली क्रिएट एंड चेंज द फुल वेबसाइट टू द सेम कलर सेम पैटर्न. और ये जो आपकी स्टाइल शीट है स्टार्टिंग में बनाएंगे और इसी से पूरा गवर्न होगा. मैक्सिमम 2 फॉन्ट्स और ज़्यादा होगा 3 फॉन्ट्स. The colors which has been selected from here, all those will be used. बटन की जो स्टाइल है वो एक स्टाइल रहेगी या नॉर्मल केस में, और जो आपका फॉर्म और समथिंग आएगा वो इसी तरह का आएगा. सो इफ यू वांट टू इंसर्ट अ फॉर्म देयर समवेयर, से you want a form here, I don't want this picture here. Add a new column. I'm going to delete this. And here I want the form. मोमेंट आई से H1 हेडिंग हो गया, टाइपोग्राफी, इफ आई चूज समथिंग एल्स, कलर, accent color if you want, इसका बैकग्राउंड कलर शुड बी तो जहाँ जहाँ जो जो कलर है दैट हैज टू बी फ्रॉम व्हाट यू से, जो हम लोग की थीम में है वही होगा। बाकी ये देखने में कितना भी अच्छा हो लेकिन अलग नहीं दिखना चाहिए। इट शुड बी फ्रॉम द थीम ओनली एंड इट शुड नॉट लुक ऑड। Wherever there is this, you have to go there for the style, choose the typography, color is chosen. I suppose here also the typography is chosen. So I'm showing you कैसे किया जाता है. I'm not exactly creating this page. This page was very beautifully made initially only because this is has been created by some developer. But when we'll be creating pages or when we'll be creating a page, beautiful page, bringing to our site which has a different design, we have to change the design to the design which is needed for the website. This one is going with it. So I have to take it a second. Choose the text. So this is the page which has been created. इसके buttons, buttons, font, text, text उसके हिसाब से मैच किए गए. जैसे this is the different font, but if it is same means you have to have the same fonts. Margins, padding se have not worked today. The colors has to be from the theme. Okay. So any questions? अभी तक कोई questions है, समझ में नहीं आया कुछ? Veronica, Menaka, Sachin, Raju, any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
तो मैंने आपको ये दिखाया था कि स्टाइल शीट कैसे बनाई जाती है, स्टाइल शीट को कैसे बार बार यूज किया जाता है. बेसिकली जब भी इफ यू क्रिएट वेबसाइट और लैंडिंग पेजेस फॉर अस, यू फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल बी क्रिएटिंग इज अ स्टाइल शीट. स्टाइल शीट के बाद ही कोई दूसरा चीज बनेगा. और जैसे आपने कहा था कि आपने खुद बनाने की कोशिश किया एलिमेंटर में, दैट बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ. अच्छा राजू, व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम यू आर हैविंग?
सर एलिमेंटर अच्छे से काम नहीं कर पा रहा था सर. मतलब एक्चुअली उसको जब प्लगइन को इंस्टॉल करा सर, उसके बाद से टेम्पलेट को इंसर्ट कराने के बाद सर एक्चुअली अच्छा से काम नहीं कर रहा था.
अच्छा से काम करने का मतलब क्या हुआ?
सर कुछ मतलब उसमें मैं इंसर्ट नहीं करा पा रहा था, उस पर वर्क नहीं कर पा रहा था. अभी कुछ कुछ अभी क्लियर हुआ है सर, फिर से ट्राई करूंगा तो सर हो जाए.
तो हाँ, इफ यू हैव प्रॉब्लम्स उस मैसेज में. अब मान लीजिए इसके ऊपर आपको कुछ चाहिए, मान लीजिए ये आपने बनाया है. नाउ आई वांट टू इंसर्ट समथिंग.
सो यू आर नॉट प्रेजेंटिंग.
Oh, sorry. If I want to insert something, I'll just present now. अब इसके ऊपर अपने को इंसर्ट करना चाहता हूँ तो मैं प्लस पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं. देन आई कैन क्रिएट वन सेक्शन एंड दैट सेक्शन मैं एलिमेंटर प्रो. अगर आप एलिमेंटर फ्री के अंदर प्रो डालने की कोशिश करेंगे तो काम नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज दीज आर प्रो विजेट्स. They will be working now. Why? Because I am using the pro version. But if you're trying to put in the free version, the pro version, then it won't work. So if I put the slides here, ये स्लाइड शो चालू हो जाएगा. लेकिन इसको जैसे मैं करूँगा तो दिस इज द बॉक्स सेक्शन. I have to make it full width and I have to stretch the section to the full width. उसके बाद इसको क्लिक करेंगे. बटन देखिए, इसमें जो बटन आ रहा है, द बटन इज कमिंग द सेम साइज विच इज दैट. Slide 1 heading. In the content I'm choosing an image. I'll go for the media library. I can choose an image from here, or I can go to some and better element to somewhere from where which I can take the image. लेकिन अभी images काम नहीं करेंगे because I do not have a subscription. So if I want to try here, it will shows these lines here. I can import the photo, I suppose so, but it will be showing me I have to have a subscription for Envato Elements. So I can go to Unsplash or many other places and import the pictures. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं अभी इस पिक्चर इंपोर्ट नहीं करूँगा because I won't be taking that much time because it is I suppose 5:23 up till now. Now
सर
I want
साइट के
to
ऊपर में कभी कभी सर डेट और टाइम डला रहता है, सर उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या
क्या बोलते हैं?
साइट के ऊपर में सर डेट और टाइम कोई कोई मेंशन किया आता है सर, एलिमेंटर के थ्रू कर सकते हैं क्या उसको हम लोग?
यू कैन यूज द डेट एंड टाइम. उसके लिए आपको मैक्रोज यूज करने पड़ेंगे. उसके लिए आपको मैक्रोज यूज करने पड़ेंगे. उसको थोड़ा डायनामिक होते हैं. मैं आपको जब डायनामिक का बताऊंगा तो मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ. ठीक है, दोज आर कॉल्ड मैक्रोज. नॉर्मल केस में आप साइट पे डेट और टाइम जो रनिंग है वो आप यूज कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर द टाइम बीइंग एलिमेंटम का प्रो में ऑप्शन है, फ्री में ऑप्शन नहीं है. यू वोंट बी एबल टू यूज दैट इन फ्री. तो आप प्रो यूज करेंगे. जैसे आई जस्ट गिव एग्जांपल फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. बाकी आपको डिटेल में नेक्स्ट में दिखाऊंगा. TX2 से द टेक्स्ट विजेट बिलो दिस. यहाँ पे आप जो देख रहे हैं ना, ये आपको डायनेमिक का ऑप्शंस देता है. यहाँ पे आप डायनेमिक यूज करके कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जब फ्री वर्जन में क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे डायनेमिक टैग्स नहीं आएंगे. इसमें और ज़्यादा डिटेल में आज मैं जाऊँगा नहीं बिकॉज आई डो नॉट वांट टू गो मोर डिटेल फॉर दैट टुडे. सो what I'll be showing you about the products and also क्योंकि 5:25 it is right now, अपने पास ज़्यादा टाइम है नहीं. So products के लिए लास्ट टाइम मैंने कुछ दिखाया था आपको. Do you remember? I tried to create a website last day. Any of you
WooCommerce सर.
WooCommerce पे. तो आज अपने WooCommerce की फिर से एक वेबसाइट बनाएंगे. From where we can make a website very fast and free. Can you tell me, Veronica? Are you there, Veronica? Menika, can you
Yes,
tell
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कहाँ से अपने जल्दी से वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं?
WordPress पे, sir.
वर्डप्रेस पे तो ठीक है, बट कौन सी साइट पे, कौन सी यूज करके? फ्री ऑनलाइन. आई बी यूजिंग दिस टेस्ट WP.
TSWP, yes, sir. TSWP.
सो अपने ये सब बंद कर देते हैं. एक नई वेबसाइट बनाते हैं टेस्ट WP. फिर आपको स्क्रैच से बना के दिखाता हूँ कि हाउ इट इज मेड. बिकॉज if I show you from the sketch, then it will be easy for you to understand. So I go to the test WP and I agree with the terms, and this is created only for 2 days. I just set it up.
So you are not presenting.
No, sorry, मैंने शायद आपको दिखाया था पहले, तो it is the same now, but right now it is created. So it is very fast. It creates pretty fast. स्क्रीन आ रही है आपको? Now you are able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway, I tried again. Taste W. This will last for 2 to 5 days, but most of the time it is work fine. उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट डे है मैं आपको एक साइट बताऊंगा जिसके अंदर आप लॉन्ग टर्म बना सकते हैं. Set it up, no plugins required. You have already created 2 sites. Okay, if you click there, a site is created there. So I have created one. This you can see this, or I can create in another WordPress here. Wait a sec. In this browser I am creating. Okay, it is directing my computer, I suppose. IP address. So I click here, and the dashboard is there. Can you see the dashboard? And my dashboard is here.
Yes sir, yes sir.
So इसके लिए सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे अपने? I'll go for the themes and install one theme which is called Astra, because Astra has a totally free WooCommerce website का setup. I'll install this. And I activate it. I'll go to the plugins, install the plugins. Usually I'll install the plugins in advance, so Astra doesn't have to create install all the plugins. उसमें क्या होता है, error का chances ज़्यादा रहता है. So I'll go for the Elementor first. Install Elementor now. Then I'll go for the header footer. Then I'll go for WP forms. I'll go for WooCommerce. And I will go for WooCommerce cart trigger. So I've installed few, what do you say, plugins. Now I go to my appearance, themes, Astra is active, click here. Then I'll go for Astra options. Install importer template. Then installing an activity. Starter sites is there. Which one should I use? कौन सा use करना चाहिए मुझे? Anybody?
Elementor sir, Elementor.
Yeah. And I'll go for the free versions. There are many there. Let's choose this organic store today. Let's say import this complete set. Skip and import. I'm a WordPress expert. I'm building myself. The advanced options are customize the setting and import without. Okay. It told me it is failed because of declaring import. Okay. And let's see what is this. The importer is not working properly as it should. Skip and import. I want to delete previous imported component. Import is it? Import control. Next steps. It will take few minutes and it will import the full site. So a website is ready. Can you see it?
Yes sir.
You can see the products page. shop page, there are different products. If we click on that, price आता है. सबसे पहले तो अपने को प्राइस चेंज करना. It is in dollars and I want it in rupees. दूसरे जो प्रोडक्ट्स है यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है. I'll show you how to add products to the e-commerce. So let's go to the dashboard. Let me get back to a presentation. इसमें आपको थोड़ा समझा देता हूँ, फिर वापस आते हैं इसमें. मैं आपको एलिमेंटर स्टाइल क्रिएशन दिखा रहा था. दिस आई हैव शोन यू. क्लियर अबाउट दिस? इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चन है? एनी क्वेश्चन? राजू, सचिन, वेरोनिका, बेनका. I have shown you what are the texts are sent this type. I have told you typography. I have not shown you. I don't have time. जैसे कलर सेटिंग करते हैं उसके बाद अपने टाइपोग्राफी को मैप करते हैं. So if I have time, I will show you in the internship later. We can set the button and I've set the forms fields today. Images I have not done today. Global colors and global fonts, how to set it. These things I have shown you. Now let's come to a WooCommerce site. So in WooCommerce shop आपको अलग अलग पेजेस दिखाई देंगे. उसके बाद आप जब शॉप पेज में होंगे तो you can shorten all the prices and all. We want to change क्योंकि इसको अपने बाद में रुपीज़ में चेंज करना रहेगा. We want to add new products also to the page. Now in the dashboard there is a WooCommerce. Below WooCommerce there is a product. Here we can add all the products, and this product is basically a dynamic content. Next day I'll be talking about dynamic content in more detail. That will be more or less totally on the dynamic content जैसे आपको बोलने कहा था. Now I'll show you how to add a product and put it out there. किस तरह से एक प्रोडक्ट उसमें डाला जाए. Okay, where are we? Can you see the dashboard? Dashboard आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. इसमें WooCommerce के नीचे प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं. तो सबसे पहले मैं WooCommerce में जाऊंगा और इसकी सेटिंग्स चेंज करूंगा. Here I can type the address, phone number and everything, and it will take time, but I don't want the country to be USA and I want the country to be India. And because I am from West Bengal, it can be West Bengal. Otherwise, whatever is our client is, we'll be choosing that. Postal code. Currency. Here I'll change the currency to Indian rupee. I'll save changes. Now let me talk about WooCommerce. This WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress which gives you power to convert a normal WordPress website to an e-commerce shop. There are multiple such products which will help you to convert a WordPress website to e-commerce shop, but WooCommerce is one of them, and it is totally free. In this, we can do a general setting. In this general setting, we can give the address, name, city, and all these options we can give, and we can choose the countries we will be selling, the places we will be selling, should there be taxes, VAT, and all. Everything will be automatically calculated. We do not need to worry much because this is such a nice made plugin. In the products, we can choose the type of products we are having, what is the main page of the products, how many images should be there, what it should be the weight in kilogram or gram or lbs, what should be dimension units about the products. Then we have more details that inventory is to be maintained or not maintained, is that product is downloadable, loadable product in some software, something like that. So in that case, what to do. Shipping, the type of shipping we provide or we do not provide shipping, the details are given here. If we are not providing anything, then it is not there. Otherwise, we can add shipping, options of shipping cases, payments which will be receiving. It is cash on delivery, PayPal, Stripe, or we can add more payments here also. The guest accounts, the accounts of the users which are created, the details will be. I cannot go through in detail because we do not have that much time. Then when the email should go, what should be the part of that email, all these things are defined. Yeah. Other means whatever your plugins or API connections are given here, and if you want to go for advanced, and the advanced features are given here. Basically, whenever we install WooCommerce, few pages are automatically created. And out of those pages, one page is cart page, one is checkout page, one is shop page. So whenever you create WooCommerce, shop page, cart page, checkout page is automatically created. Clear? Those are pages which are created using WooCommerce. Now let me go to products. Here we can see all the products. And on top you can see how many products are there. Can anybody tell me कितने products हैं?
12.
12. Yeah. Now let's visit the shop page. When I click on this, the shop page is visible here. Here the products will come. Basically it is given 9 products at the same time. Now there is a sorting option here also, that we can sort by prices, low to high, popularity, latest. So according to that the products will be sorted. Now the amount you can see is rupees. Can you see it? आप देख पा रहे हैं, पहले डॉलर्स में था, उसका रुपीस कर दिया, because we have changed the currency. Now I'm going in detail of the product page. Say I choose this product and I edit it. There is the way to edit it. If I click here, I can click on this and the product will be edited. The name of the product is to be given here. So according to the name, this URL will be created. This is the product description. Featured images in right side. Now here you can choose the display setting in Astra only. These are basically Astra settings only. So you won't get it anywhere else. If we are using Hello themes or all, we cannot use these. Product image is given here. If you have tags or something like that, you can choose here what type of product is this, categories is there. We can create new categories here very easily. What is the regular price? If there is a sale price, say this is handpicked red chilies. So I want to change the price. I want the regular price to be 190 and sale price to be 130. Okay, let me check it out. If I see right now what it shows the price is 19, description is this, these are related products. Now if I update this, I have created regular price 190, sale price 130. If you see here, it is just 19 rupees, no sale tag, nothing like that. And if I refresh this page, you can see 190 is cut, 130 is there, there is a sale tag. Can you see that? So that is how the product prices can be changed here, inventories can be set up here, shippings can be set up here, link products can be set up here. These things are to be set up from here. So for the timing I'm adding a new product, and I don't suppose so. What type of product should come here? Can somebody tell me what type of product should come here?
Olive oil.
Okay, olive oil. So let's search for olive oil in Amazon. Saffola stores will also. Now this product, I want to take it there, right? So what I'll do, I'm taking these pictures, collecting it, and I'll take it there. This product I have saved, file, save as olive 1. And I want more pictures, so I'll click this one or this one. Not good pictures, only this one. New. So I've taken 2 pictures from here. Now some detail is there. No details, I'll get the detail from somewhere else. Okay, Flipkart. This is the third picture I want. Yeah, this one. These are 3 pictures I've taken. Olive oil. Now any details of this product is given anyway, yeah. I can't see the product details. Let's say this is the product's detail. I take this, I go here, I give this as the details, I type olive oil. No, this is uncategorized. I create a new category, and this one I'm putting is oil. Okay, now it is inside the oils category. That's it. More description if they want, I can have something more for them. And there's not much description here, otherwise I've taken the description. I'll take this as a description. This is a short description, and we can type it as we want, or whatever our clients gives us. Product image, I've saved them in pictures, I suppose so. Olive oil 1, or I can choose from here. I can click this, select file. I want to go to pictures. I want to choose which one. So I want to choose this one. This has been chosen. This is set as product image. For other images, I can go to this pics, and I can put all the 3 there. These are other images. This has been already given, so I remove this. These two will add together. I can set the regular price to be 350, and sale price to be 140. Inventory is a SKU I'm not putting in stock. Simple product. I'm not using SKU and all right now. Itna hi chalo. And make it 240 instead of 140. It is too less. So, and I publish this product. And if I go there, can you see the product now? The description we have given, short description has come here. The detailed description is here. because there is no reviews, it is not there. So this has been easily created. Even if I go to the all products page, so olive oil has come here. Can you see? आप लोग को दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
So there are multiple details which you can add here, but for the timing I suppose so it is 5:50. I don't want to waste more time of you today. इसके अंदर और भी डिटेल्स है, आप जैसे जैसे करते जाएंगे आपको पता चलता जाएगा. If there is shipping, if there are other linked products, then we can choose other products which are linked to it, and we can give that there. तो अगर मैं प्रोडक्ट पेज में देख रहा हूँ लिंक प्रोडक्ट्स से wheat from organic farms, so we can type the wheat from organic farms and it will say these are the link products. It will show below if you want to cross sell something that can be shown here. And if I update it now, if you go to the olive oil, so you might also like me आ गया. ठीक है. और जब आप खरीदने जाएंगे, if you say add it to a cart, this will be added to your cart, and then you say view cart. They'll show you what you may also interested in. So these two products I've added. So you can see, if you understand the products and all, you can know what is the link product, how means what to do, how to do. It is very easy, and there can be multiple categories, and about parents and children category there can be many things. But I suppose so for today the class is over. It is 1 hour 50 minutes. Next day I'll be doing more of the dynamic content. Now this product is a dynamic content. इसमें क्या है, अपने olive oil डाले, text डाले थे, we have put the figures and all, but the page is created automatically. We are not creating this page. Elementor में हम लोग ये पेज नहीं बनाए थे. ये डिजाइन we have not created in Elementor. The text, images, description, these things are put out there, but the rest of page or rest of the design is automatically created. So this is called a dynamic page, and WooCommerce is having a dynamic field which is called products. Tomorrow we will talk about dynamic fields, और जैसे प्रोडक्ट बना है इस तरह के और एक दो अपने बनाएंगे, where you can add more fields, add new things and do multiple things. So that will be the next class which will be about jet engine ClockerBlock. So ये थोड़ा सा इससे और एडवांस होगा. It will be tougher. जैसे आपने कहा ना, dynamically you want to put a date, a current date, you want to something like that. So those things will be there. So it will be tougher than this, much tougher than this, but I'll try to explain you as easy as possible. I'm stopping the sharing and going to the meeting. Or कोई questions from anybody?